Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there for a minute. We're gonna start this Lincoln, and we're gonna start welding on this bed. So y'all stay tuned. Boom, got those two done. Now I'm gonna move on to the other side. And we'll be right back. Let's take a 4x4 tube, and this is a 4x3 1/4 inch, and they're both 1/4 inch thick. We were going to use a 3/8, but we're going to use that for something else. So we drilled the hole, well, we burned the holes into the tube and cleaned it up, put the bolts in there, tacked, welded it up. It's in there pretty tight for right now. No play in it. So now this is going to be the Reese hitch. So we're going to, alright y'all, now we're about to do our cover pass. We're probably gonna do one big weave, yeah. Well, you know what? No, we'll do 2 passes. Go. That one's done. We're gonna do the other side. Alright guys, we got the first wheels done on top. Now the ones we got now left is on the inside right there, the inside. Alright guys, so in this video right here, what we're going to do, we're going to cut some 45s to put in here to brace this tube, because this is the Reese hitch. And then on the other side, we got to cut out a square on both ends to put that right there in here. And then cut out some cap plates to go here and right there, and then on the bottom end here and here. So let's get to it, guys. We're going to make something. Here, let me get you close. So what we did was took the center, and since being it's a 5x5, it fits perfectly with this tube. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this out real quick. Alright YouTube, so what we did was cut the cap plates, 5x5 cap plate for the 5x5 slot or 5x3 slot. We cut cap plates for this slot, which is a 4x4. Camera's about to die, and we also cut the hole where the insert is gonna go be welded into, which is that right there. And alright guys, we'll be right back. That's the way the hitch is gonna go in there. We're gonna put a D-ring there and a D-ring over there. So it's gonna look like that. And this is a 4x4 tube and a 5x5 tube. We got the bolts tacked in there. So when we bolt it up, it'll bolt up evenly and fair. There's a little brace and an angle brace. And there's another brace. And that's about roughly maybe how much it's gonna stick out. I'm not for sure yet. We got the cap plates. This cap plate is going to go on last until we drill holes for the top for the bed to mount to. But yeah guys, that's what we got so far. We did some flux core and some stick welding. So that's the end of this video guys. So y'all take it easy and we'll see you next time. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell. Next guys, we're going to weld this hitch receiver in with probably 7018. And we're going to cut the holes out with the torch and weld the rest of the cap plates on. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. Y'all have a good one.